Hey everybody, we're back with another ShellShock video, and this time we're doing the dreadful hurricane challenge. And we're probably all gonna hate this. Okay, this attack is not fail. I'm sorry. This is gonna hit you no matter what.
Are you sure about that?
Apparently I wasn't sure, because I missed, like a retard. And then again, I might be a retard. Come on, miss. Remember, you have to calculate for that wind. Okay,
Right.
I get wind 58. I get 17. That is messed up. What?
It's gonna go out though, unless I do this. Oh,
8 seconds.
huh.
Oh, that could hit me. No!
No!
Oh! Oh! Phew!
Oh.
Phew! Charge! I'm gonna, I'll take some 35 free damage. Bounder! Boop! I love that attack. I really do love that attack. Why are you saying the wind to me?
This isn't gonna hit you, and I'm gonna be so upset. Okay, I'm terrible, dude.
You should have saved that for when I was close so you could have... Oh, no. No. Go away. Plus, even if it would have hit me, it would only hit me like 2 times. Maybe 3. Charge! Hey, dude. Want an airstrike? Oh, no. No,
It's
not
gonna
me.
hit you.
Oh, no, the wind saved me. Here, after this round, do you want me to put it on level field so we have the same upgrades and same weapons?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do that next time.
Alright. I could go for... Oh.
You're not going to be able to hit me if you don't move.
Yeah, I will.
You can't shoot through them.
Uh-huh.
Can you?
Did they change it? You used to be able to. If you're inside it, you can.
I don't know. Well, you'll find out soon if you do it.
Oh, what? You used to be able to.
Yeah, I thought you couldn't. Gears! I'm going for the gears. I don't care about hitting you. We're getting the gears.
Gears.
Huh?
Gears.
No, they pop up for you too. And I got 'em. Gears.
Oh.
Gears for everyone. And I still did some damage. A lot. Oh, I didn't expect that to kill you. Okay, let's put this on level field.
You kidding me? That was retarded.
That was retarded. Level field. Do you want me to put 200 HP too?
Sure.
Ready? And we're going into the second round.
Best out of 3?
Yep. Best out of 3. Charge.
Oh.
And I have no gas. Will this hit you? Dun 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 dun.
I don't know how.
Will this hit you? Come
Hey,
on.
what is?
Come on.
Of course.
I didn't know if the wind would move a dead weight or not.
Mm.
Then again, if you just move backwards, you could hit me with a dead weight too.
Or I could hit you with this. No, I can't. Just kidding. Oh dear. Hey, what is a mini pinger?
It's a bad weapon. I'm gonna go for the shot of a lifetime. Done, 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 done,
No.
done,
Oh,
done.
yeah.
Ah, so close. You don't want to use your dead weight and use that times 2.
You know,
You don't want to do that.
sorry, but I already locked in.
He's evil, guys. Okay, I was about to say, if you get a quit, I was gonna freak out. Freak out! Wait, I haven't never dead. That's oh, we're about to have a ball. Glad I didn't use that. You know, let's do this. More hill attack.
Do you not know how they work?
Nope, apparently not.
That's good.
Apparently, I don't know how to use more hills. And did you just say that was good? Voice crack.
Come on! No, it didn't hit.
Phew! I would have done so. Ooh. You know, yeah, let's do this weapon for it. Oh, that's I can't. I'm not risking it. I'm not getting greedy. Oh well, I failed. This game's gonna take a while. You're in the lead by far.
Come on, flower. Come on. Yes!
No!
Woo.
No! Why do
I
you?
got your number, boy.
No, you don't. Wind.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, I was right. Sure, that missed.
No, that's gonna hit.
No, that missed.
Whoa.
Oh, wait, no! No! Why couldn't that go the other way? Why?
You know what? I think I'm gonna use a digger too. You know what? I'm not even gonna change it.
Not gonna hit me.
Yeah, it is.
That's
No,
not.
it. Oh,
You had some wind helping you last time.
I didn't see the wind last time. I always forget to look at the wind.
Okay, I got this.
Hey, the wind's blowing towards
Build
you.
attack.
So you might
I know, I changed. I adjusted. And that's a bigger miss. It's going down the valley to you, but it's not gonna reach you, sadly. I hate not having tracks. I hate wind.
Please. This could be.
Phew. Oh yay. Wait.
Flip it.
I'm just gonna. I want that teleportal. Come on.
No.
Spread attack.
No.
Hit it. Hit it.
No.
Hit it.
No.
Come on.
Yes. Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Come on. I didn't want that 3 damage. Dang it. And watch, now you're gonna get a ×2 buildle. No, hoverball, where you already used that.
I could try the snipe.
You don't have it. Oh wait, I did use a sniper, didn't I? You should not use that sniper. Because if you hit me, I'm gonna cry. That would probably kill me.
Well, that
That's
was
a big
way
miss.
too much.
I can't move. I have no idea where you're at. Apparently almost right there.
Wait, what do you mean? Can you not see me?
No, I can.
The wind. Wind! Oh, I thought the wind was gonna help me.
No,
All
the wind doesn't like you. Don't you? Ooh. Come on. I can do this. Come on. Come on. Hovel. 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 Why did we do, I've only hit you once. no, no.
Oh my gosh!
File. Please hit him. I hate myself. Oh! I'm just gonna cry myself to sleep. That's what's gonna happen now. Oh, on Wednesday, I go to DC for 2 weeks.
Ooh.
And New York.
Oh, lucky. Wanna go?
Wish you could. If you hit this.
Why?
But wind.
I aimed like straight up.
Hey, new weapons. Dead weight, dead weight, dead. Oh, no. Hey, guess what? Guess what?
What?
Are you wearing headphones?
Oh no. Yeah?
Rip headphones! Ah! Moons! I failed.
93 wind. You know what? I'm shooting straight up.
But it's not gonna hit me. Oh, that might.
Double damage.
No! No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No! No!
Oh, let's
No!
go.
Okay. Phew.
Ah. Hey, 24, I'll take it.
That was not okay.
Ah. I just shot straight up.
I know you did. That's why it's not okay. Hey, I might have hit you if I actually used an attack that didn't spread.
99 wind.
Ugh. Just shoot straight up.
I am.
Any bets he's gonna hit me?
No, that's not gonna hit you. That's too much. Ooh! Yeah! Ow!
Oh, come on.
12 damage. Woohoo.
No, that's good for you. 72 wind. I'm just gonna shoot it. Well, that missed. Yep, that missed.
Wow.
Can you? Oh, 100 wind backwards.
You know what? I'm not even gonna try. There was nothing I could do there.
I got this. I got this, guys. Fire! Come on. Wind. Wind. Do the trick.
Ooh.
I actually hit you once. I did it, guys. Oh, I spelled that wrong.
No, why'd I use my Glock? Oh, I could have got the teleporter.
No teleporter for you, son.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Ha!
Oh. It moves you right there. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop,
It didn't.
boop, boop. Fire! Same attack. Come in. Yes. Yeah! Chow more damage.
43 wind.
I don't know if we're gonna do another round after this. This has been taking forever and it's super painful.
Yeah.
No, we'll do another round but with only 100 HP.
Alright. Oh, and another teleporter that you're gonna hit because you have a flame.
No, I don't have a flame. I don't have anything good to hit that but a splittle. Come on. Oh, come on. You couldn't have split sooner, splittle. But I hate you.
Yeah.
I'm coming back.
Uh-huh. Why do I do the things I do?
Because you feel like it, that's why. Come on, Mini Pingle, even though it's a weak attack. Oh, come on.
Oh, that's Mini Pinger. Alright. Mini pinger, crappy attack. That went way too
No,
far.
that actually might hit me.
No way.
The wind might take it to me. Ah, no. Oh, come on. Come on. This can be the game changer. No, there's no way. I can't hit that at my angle. Okay. This will hit you, I bet. I think that'll hit you.
I don't. Yeah.
Oh!
No. No
Yes!
way.
Yes!
No.
Yes! Yes! That was
Ugh.
what I needed. I caught up with that amazing diggle.
But I can't hit you now.
Yes! I gotta keep him in the pit.
I could hurt.
Come on. This is round 18.
We should be getting new weapons soon. Come on.
No.
Come on. Yes!
Oh, that hurt.
Oh!
Oh, really? Really?
This is such a close game.
Yes, it is. Come on, come on.
No.
Oh, wait, wind. Wind, I hate you, wind.
Yes, wind.
I hate wind.
Oh.
Well, you can't hit me, I bet, from that angle. I don't think you can.
No, went way too far.
Will I hit him, guys? Oh, wait, I can't. Oh. Well, I made a bigger hill. I did it, guys. Bigger hill.
Wait, can it go back through the portal?
Yeah, I can. So it's a risky shot. If you shoot it through a portal and it goes through and then comes back through it and hits you, I'm gonna lose it.
Oh gosh.
Just do it. Well, that failed.
Come on, no.
That failed.
If I would have put it at a low power.
Yeah. Hey, weapons.
Ooh, what'd we get? What'd we get?
Nothing good.
It's so close.
Wait, 98 wind? I'm just gonna shoot straight up. Wait, no, because I need to hit this boundle. Just gonna shoot like that. Come on, come on,
No,
come on.
you
No,
get that.
no,
No.
come on.
Hey, I think you missed a weapon.
Yeah.
Hey, does wind count underground?
Wait, where's the boundary? Do you see a boundary? Why is there no Oh, wait. I hit that boundary because I thought we were doing rebound mode. I'm so stupid.
Wait, does wind affect underground shots?
I don't think so. I don't know.
That's not gonna. Alright.
Oh, yes. See ya.
No. Oh, no. No.
See ya. Oh, hi.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Now that it's my turn.
No.
Aaron, I'm gonna fail.
Yeah, you probably
I'm
will.
gonna miss this shot.
We both would.
I don't want to take the shot, man. Come on. Yes.
No.
No.
Oh, I thought I was gonna bounce in.
Oh, I'm so dead.
No, I don't have a
screwed.
weapon that can kill you. Charge.
Get away from me.
Fire. Yes, come on. Yes. Kill him.
I'm at 8.
One more hit would have killed you. Are you kidding me?
Hey, how much damage does a Glock do?
I don't think it does 44.
What about moons?
It could do 44 if you get lucky.
86 wind. What? No, 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 it's over. Aaron,
Yes.
before you shoot, I need to type something to you.
Okay. You realize they can see that too, right? Oh, guys! You guys didn't see that, what he just said? Oh, I somehow missed! Oh no, what are we gonna do?
But I can't hit you because I can't move.
You can hit. Okay, if you don't hit me, that's gonna be sad.
But there's 64 wind, and I'm not gonna hit you.
You're going to hit me. I'm gonna.
29 damage. Does a bulger do more than 30 damage?
I think it does. I'm not sure.
No, it does 25.
Chicken. If you hit all three chicken fling, it could kill me.
True. Come on, wind. Don't be a jerk. Yeah!
And
Whoa!
that's the game.
Woo!
And you guys
How
did not
and
see
I
that
won.
comment.
Yeah! Wow! What an amazing game.
He so
How
won.
did he miss?
I don't know. He somehow won.
I don't even know how he missed. Like, geez, it's almost like I typed something to him and it made him miss or something
Almost
like that.
Is. Almost is something like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, just do some deathmatch. No win. Just a classic 100 level field, 100 HP, 100 HP battle to end this off, okay?
Alright. Here we go.
Oh, well, that's not fail.
Um,
Well, you're dead. I
Why?
need to get away from you.
we don't have any good weapons.
You're so dead.
We
No,
don't have
this won't kill
good
you.
weapons.
Yeah, but you don't understand. Because you don't know what I know.
Tell me, Aaron.
No thanks.
I'll murder you. Alright, since I know I suck and I'm gonna die anyway.
Why? Why?
I'm gonna die anyway.
Oh, I want that. I'm just gonna like, pew! Ow! Wait, you're gonna win this!
What's he at? 20. Bulger?
I hate you.
Love me too.
Nasty. Nah. Yeah, I can't hit
I
end
won.
zone.
I'm better than Aaron.
Well, guys, you heard that. He's the worst player. He's the worst player in 2017. Worst ShellShock ever. And on that note, goodbye.